Hello everybody, in previous video we added product to the cart and now I want to add some user feedback so he can actually see product was successfully added. Let's take a look to the React Native Flash message library. So it's basically show messages on the top. Let's install dependency. And next we need add flash message to our root component. Let's wrap navigation we need to import view and make it flex 1. Let's take a look. Okay, nothing broken. Let's go to use cart hook, and here we can actually show the message. To do this we need show message function. Let's add this import. And we can actually show the message. So message I think will be success. Product is added to the cart. And let's take a look. And you see product is added to the cart, but I think it will be better if we can show product name here. So let's put name to our function. Also in function declaration. And in product details screen, use product data name, or in case it's empty, let's use product. Yeah, sorry, my simulator stuck for some reason and I was need to reinstall the app. So let's take a look if we can see product name, and we still see the product, and I actually already defined the issue and it's related to our touchable repo implementation. If we go to this component, you will see onPress is called inside the use code hook, but onPress wasn't added as a dependency. So let's add it as dependency and let's try again. And you see we now able to see the name. Good. And another tweak I want to add here is right now we can tap multiple times while it's loading. It's not good. So let's add enabled property, which will be not loading. Will be boolean, and let's add it to the tap gesture handler. Okay, it should be add product loading. My bad, sorry. And now, yeah, if I tap while it's loading, it's not pressable. Okay, that's it. We'll see you in the new videos.